Cooking is more than just preparing meals. It's an art that deserves the right tools to bring your creations to life. If you've ever struggled with food sticking to the pan, uneven cooking, or woks that don't live up to their promises, it's time to elevate your kitchen game with this Teewe Carbon Steel Wok 13-inch. This wok is not just another cookware item, it's a revolutionary tool designed to make cooking a seamless and enjoyable experience. Whether you're a professional chef mastering the intricacies of Asian cuisine, or a home cook looking to explore stir-frying, deep-frying, or braising, this wok is engineered to exceed expectations. Packed with innovative features like modern non-stick technology, pre-seasoning, and a premium carbon steel build, the Teewe Wok offers everything you need for professional-grade cooking right at home. Why choose the Teewe Carbon Steel Wok? Number 1. Modern non-stick technology. The Teewe Wok features a revolutionary non-stick surface created through advanced nitriding technology. This isn't your average non-stick coating, it's a natural layer that resists sticking, burning, and rusting. The rough, granular surface ensures you can cook with less oil, making your meals healthier without compromising on taste. Number 2. Comprehensive wok set. The wok comes with a lid, a silicone spatula, and a dish brush, offering everything you need to get started. The 13-inch wide and 3.9-inch deep pan accommodates enough food for 3 to 5 people, making it perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests. Number 3. Pre-seasoned for convenience. Unlike traditional woks that require extensive seasoning before use, the Teewe Wok is pre-seasoned at 1000 °F. This process not only enhances its non-stick properties, but also infuses the pan with natural iron, benefiting your health and ensuring a lifetime of durable performance. Number 4. Premium build quality. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this wok offers superior heat distribution and responsiveness. It heats up quickly and evenly, saving time and ensuring perfectly cooked meals. Plus, its lightweight design makes it easy to handle during cooking. Number 5. User-friendly features. From its detachable handle for easy storage to the silicone spatula that prevents scratches, every detail of the Teewe Wok is designed with user convenience in mind. The flat bottom ensures compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric stoves. Cooking versatility. The Teewe Carbon Steel Wok isn't limited to stir-frying, it's a true multitasker. Whether you're pan-frying, deep-frying, braising, steaming, or boiling, this wok handles it all. Its high walls and wide surface area make flipping and stirring a breeze. Care and maintenance. To maintain its performance and longevity, 1. Hand wash with warm water and a non-metal scrubber. 2. Dry thoroughly and apply a light coat of oil after each use. 3. Avoid using dishwashers or metal utensils to preserve the non-stick surface. What sets Teewe apart? Unlike other woks, the Teewe Carbon Steel Wok is designed with modern users in mind. Its durable non-stick surface eliminates the need for chemical coatings, making it safe and eco-friendly. The added benefit of being pre-seasoned saves time and effort while delivering professional-grade cooking results. Conclusion. In a world of generic cookware, the Teewe Carbon Steel Wok stands out as a true game-changer. With its modern non-stick technology, pre-seasoned surface, and lightweight carbon steel construction, it delivers exceptional performance that transforms everyday cooking into a delightful experience. From perfectly stir-fried vegetables to deep-fried delicacies, this wok handles it all with ease and efficiency. Beyond its functionality, the Teewe Wok offers durability, versatility, and thoughtful design features that cater to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. If you're ready to elevate your cooking skills and invest in a wok that combines tradition with innovation, the Teewe Carbon Steel Wok is the perfect choice. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the difference for yourself. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and start your journey toward better cooking today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.